In the final part of this project, you're going to be looking at becoming a tax reformer. In other words, you're going to write your own tax bracket, create it, and write a letter to your congressman presenting the proposal and why it should be adopted. So you need to decide whether you're going to do a tax bracket for individuals or for people filing jointly, and go ahead and do your tax brackets that you figure out and calculate everything like you did on the tax code assignment. Then you want to make up two people that are hypothetical. Um, make up problems like were given to you on the last part of the assignment, how much their income is, and and then calculate how much they would have to pay based on the bracket that you created. And section, you need to defend your tax code, what the rationale is, and why you believe it's an improvement on the current system. Hopefully, you can come up with that. A lot of people say that a flat tax would be the best way for everybody because everybody pay the same amount. Other people believe the progressive system works better because in the end, the people that make more money pay more taxes.